Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new solid layer for background. Add name background. Okay, go to effects, press search effect fill, use fill for this background, and let's open color, choose like this yellow, and okay, let's choose background, Control D for duplicate, remove fill, change name grid, and go to effects, press search effect grid, use grid for layer, and change color to dark, and size form with slider, change slider like this, and opacity. So let's lock buff layers, and now let's go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose render rectangle tool, and let's create one rectangle tool like this, and clisation tool. So go to fill, let's choose color like this green, click OK, change name green, and for move the anchor point center, hold Control and double click pen behind icon. So in this time, let's enable titillation save, and snapping let's enable and move to like this. So select this green, Control D for duplicate, change name red, and let's move to right like this. Okay, and go to fill, let's choose color red, and okay. So select this red, Control D for duplicate, and move to right. Okay, and change name blue. Go to fill, use color blue, and okay. So in this time, select this red and blue. Let's hold Alt and move to left like this for attach this layer, also blue, and hold Alt, attach this layer, and choose this red and blue. Let's move to right with hold Shift, 1, 2, 3, and select blue and hold Shift, 1, 2, 3. Okay, select 3 layers, and let's move to center like this. Okay, not bad. And also let's move to up. So in this time, select this layer green, press P, and move to down. Let's create new passing keyframe. For go to 10 keyframes, let's hold Shift, press page down keyboard, and let's move to up like this. And go to 10 keyframes again, move to down. Again 10 keyframes, move to up. Again 10 keyframes, move to down. Again 10 keyframes, move to up. And again move to down. And again let's move to up like this. So we have a lot of keyframes, but this is for bouncing animation. Select keyframes, make it easy, or click F9. And let's preview animation. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this green and hold Shift, press S, open scale, turn off scale icon, and in this time, let's change scale like this. Okay, let's this 120 and this 80. Go to here, and we can move to down like this. Let's create new scale keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. And let's change this 80, this 120. Let's see. Okay, we can change this 100. Go to 10 keyframes, change this 105 and this 95. Again 10 keyframes, change this 102 and this 98. Again 10 keyframes, 100 and 100. Make keyframes easy. And let's see. Okay, not bad. So select keyframes, hold Alt, move to right for randomly keyframes. Nice. And select these all keyframes, scale and position keyframes. Let's copy keyframes. Select this red layer, go to first, second, and Ctrl V for paste. Okay, now let's press P, select all position keyframes, and go to last position keyframe and move to like this. So let's see. Okay, select this layer blue, go to first second, Ctrl V for paste, and press P, select position keyframes, go to last position keyframe, and move to like this. And select this red, let's move to right, and blue, move to right, and preview animation. Nice, very good. And let's close these settings. And now I'm gonna generate 3D models with AI. This is not sponsored video. You can use Luma AI, you can use Pipit, you can use FreePik or OpenArt. I will use Pipit. So I will generate this prompt with ChatGPT, and this is the result. 3D animation with rotation 360 degree in green screen. And also my next video, this is saving bank piggy, again green screen, and I was regenerate here for better results, and this save, again green screen. So I have better version here. Okay, now we can get these videos in our computer and back to After Effects. Let's import them. Select these 3 videos and import. And let's drag and drop into composition. So press S, change scales, and turn off audios. Let's hide 3 layers. Select this first piggy bank, and let's zoom to like this. Go to FS presets, search effect key light, and use key light for this video. And let's change name red element. So let's go to eyedropper and choose color, and here we go. So select this red element, let's move to here and link to red layer, and select this red element, press S and change scale. Let's move to right, let's see. Nice, very good. And select this currency stack, let's enable and change name green. Let's move to behind of red and link to green and move to here. Use key light for this green layer and use eyedropper for change color. And let's open here screen matte and change screen gain. Okay, back to final results, and here we go. So we can change scale, and let's see. Nice, very good. Let's change quality for now, quarter. That's good. And finally select this save and change name blue element, and let's link to layer blue and use key light again, and let's choose color and move to right. Press S, change scale. Okay, let's move to right. Okay, that's good. Let's preview animation. Okay, very nice. It works. And we have 3D elements animations without any modeling, without any render hours, and with prompts. And we can integration AI with After Effects like this. So in this time, choose this screen and press P, and let's create new position keyframe. Also this red and blue, press P. Let's create new keyframes, both layers, and go to 10 keyframes. Again, hold shift, press page down keyboard, and select these 3 layers. Move to down. I'm gonna add text here. So let's choose this work area and select keyframes, go to graph editor, let's zoom to graph and make smooth graphs. Back to keyframes, select last keyframes, move to right. And again, select this red, let's move to right. And blue, move right. Let's change quality for now, quarter, preview animation. Okay, not bad. We can move to left a little bit these keyframes and also this. Nice. So in this time, go to text and let's write here, save you money. and change font size. Let's put here. And let's double click for edit. First text, let's use eyedropper for choose color. And this for red and blue. Okay. So for text animation, I'm gonna use animation composer 4. Let's go to window and open animation composer. If you have not animation composer, I will add link on description below. You can check out now. And let's open text presets. Okay, this is my favorite overshot scale. Let's choose and click in. And move to right this text. Nice. And finally, let's select these all of them layers and enable motion blur. And also here. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.